Welcome to the PrintFix ID channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Wi-Fi Direct feature on the Epson EcoTank ET-2400, L3250, and similar models. With Wi-Fi Direct, you can connect your printer straight to your smartphone. No external Wi-Fi network needed, just a simple, direct connection. First, turn on your printer and wait until the power light stops blinking. Load 3 or more sheets of paper into the paper tray. Once the power light is steady, we need to enter Wi-Fi Direct mode. To do this, press and hold the Wi-Fi button and the I button together for 5 seconds. Then release them at the same time. Wait until the Wi-Fi light stops blinking and stays on like this. Now press and hold the I button for 7 seconds. Then release it. The printer will print 3 pages containing your Wi-Fi Direct information. Take the first page and you'll find the printer's Wi-Fi details here, including the password. Now grab your smartphone, and for Android users, you can install Epson iPrint, which is what I'm using here. After installing the app, don't open it yet. First, turn on your phone's Wi-Fi and connect to the Epson Wi-Fi Direct network. Enter the password shown on the first printed page. Tap Connect and wait until Wi-Fi Direct is connected. Once connected, open the Epson iPrint app. Tap OK, then OK again, and choose Allow. Tap Printer is not selected. Choose Next and select While using the app. Select the printer you want to connect to, then choose Keep using Epson iPrint if you're using the iPrint app. Now your printer is successfully connected to your smartphone. Let me try printing a photo. Before printing, you can adjust the settings here. Just tap the options and you'll find many settings, not only paper size. I'll choose standard print quality. Once you're done, tap Done. Then tap Print and your printer will start printing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.